Merge PDF files. Is it possible, using Python, to merge separate PDF files? Assuming so, I need to extend this a little further. I am hoping to loop through folders in a directory and repeat this procedure. And I may be pushing my luck, but is it possible to exclude a page that is contained in each of the PDFs? My report generation always creates an extra blank page.
Use pip for its successor pypdf, a pure Python library built as a PDF toolkit. It is capable of splitting documents page by page, merging documents page by page, and much more. Here's a sample program that works with both versions.
You can use pypdf merger class. File concatenation. You can simply concatenate files by using the append method. You can pass file handles instead file paths if you want. File merging. If you want more fine-grained control of merging, there is a merge method of the merger, which allows you to specify an insertion point in the output file, meaning you can insert the pages anywhere in the file. The append method can be thought of as a merge where the insertion point is the end of the file. For example, here we insert the whole PDF into the output but at page 2. Page ranges. If you wish to control which pages are appended from a particular file, you can use the pages keyword argument of append and merge, passing a tuple in the form start, stop, step, like the regular range function. For example, if you specify an invalid range, you will get an index error. Note also that to avoid files being left open, the merger's close method should be called when the merged file has been written. This ensures all files are closed, input and output, in a timely manner. It's a shame that merger isn't implemented as a context manager, so we can use the with keyword, avoid the explicit close call and get some easy exception safety. You might also want to look at the flycat command provided by the pips developers. You can potentially avoid the need to write code altogether. The pip documentation also includes some example code demonstrating merging. pypdf. Another library perhaps worth a look is pypdf. Merging is equally simple. From command line and from code. With plenty of options, detailed in the project's wiki. Note, in older versions of pypdf insert_pdf was insert.
Merge all PDF files that are present in a dir. Put the PDF files in a dir. Launch the program. You get one PDF with all the PDFs merged. How would I make the same code above today?
The PDFRW library can do this quite easily, assuming you don't need to preserve bookmarks and annotations, and your PDFs aren't encrypted. cat.py is an example concatenation script, and subset.py is an example page subsetting script. The relevant part of the concatenation script assumes inputs is a list of input file names, and output is an output file name. As you can see from this, it would be pretty easy to leave out the last page, for example something like Disclaimer, I am the primary PDFRW author.
If you want the same audio, play artichoke description.